savage, born in the wild. Boom, 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 hot like a fever.
Hello everyone, we're going to be doing a camera comparison between the DJI and the Xiaomi product. In this particular case, the Mini 2, and below is the Fimi X8 SE 2020 edition. Let's get to the video. We're going to do a comparison of the cameras in auto, then we're going to switch the cameras to manual mode running ISO 100, 60 frames on the Mini 2 and 1/64 on the Fimi X8 SE. That's what it shoots, so that's what I'm going to have to use. This is as close as I can get the comparison that way. Well, you're asking yourself, why are you strapping this contraction together? Well, I do it to compare the cameras in real time under the same lighting condition, shooting at the same subjects, running with the same camera settings, and then try to figure out which one you guys prefer. Always love hearing your comments of which camera is better. Alright, we are subjective beings and we tend to see the world differently, and that's why I do it. Okay? Alright, let's get into the video and see what you guys think. Let's get to it. Okay, so here we go guys. I'm going to back up a little bit, get this thing started. We have another aircraft in the field. Here we go. So you guys are going to have to tell me what do you guys think? There we are. And I'm going to bring it back real nice and slow. Try not to do it over these ladies that are walking by. %battery on the Fimi. And I'm just gonna fly it nice and easy, nothing fancy, nothing hard. I'm not gonna jerk it around too bad. Okay. Alright, so there it is. We'll take the pictures. Here we go. Straight up this time, like a rocket. There we are. There's the scene right behind me, guys. How pretty. 64% battery. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to stop the recording on the Fimi. Yep, sorry. I'm going to change my parameters on the camera. I'm going to go manual 100. And I'm going to do about 64 frames a second. That looks about right. And I'm going to start the recording. And I'm going to switch this on the Mini also. Start the recording. Going to go manual. And then I'm going to do ISO 100. Shutter speed about 60 frames a second. Start recording. So both are now recording manual. 100 frames a second. I'm sorry, ISO 100, 60 frames a second on the Mini 2, and on the Fimi X8, 64 frames a second. So 1/64. So let me go ahead and just do a manual rotation like so. Kind of fast. See that? See what you guys think. I'm going to increase the height. Good looking picture. I'm gonna jig it left and jig it right. Sorry, right and then left to get my horizon to straighten out a little bit. Yeah, it did a little bit on the Fimi. It's one of the biggest complaints everybody has about the Fimi is the horizon, guys. Let me jig it again. Watch. And get it straightened out. There you go. Alright, so now we're going to move to picture mode. Okay, First picture, same thing, boom. I'm going to change my shutter speed on this. Yeah, it's going to be 64 frames a second on the camera. It should look better here when I take this picture. Okay, photo taken. I'm going to switch it back to movie recording again. I'm running out of battery, but I need to do the same thing on the Mini. So the Mini is going to go to photo, good. It's going to go to manual. I'm going to go to 100. Shutter speed is going to be 60. Going the wrong way. 80. Nope. 60. There we go. I'm taking a picture now. Boom. 2 pictures. Okay. Alright, so those are the pictures I have chosen to take in manual mode. So now I'm going to put the Mini back in movie and start the recording. Okay, here we are. 4K, 30 frames a second. That's perfect. Let's do it. Alright, and I'm going to start the movie on the Fimi now. Here we go. 34% battery. I'm bringing it back, guys. Go, finally ready to land it, guys. So there it is, guys. What did you guys think? That was awesome. 2 controllers, 2 drones, shooting at the same time, at the same place. Just amazing to me. Yeah, just so cool. Okay, so there we are. Just finished flying these 2 guys right here. 2 controllers. For the one for the Fimi, you can see right here. Highly recommend using a strap with a lanyard here, and this cover here for the controller on the Mini 2 allows you to do that. You can see that I have the Fimi controller, and I have to hold that in my hands. It's much easier putting it around your neck. But guys, the Fimi X8 SE 2020 carried the Mini 2 with no problem at all. Now, I can't wait to get back to do the comparison of the videos and the pictures. But today's pros, the Fimi, I mean, it flew so well. How long did it fly? Oh gosh, I gotta check. 15 minutes. So flew for 15 minutes, and I'm down to 23% battery up. I brought it down at 30%. I just didn't want to run into any chances. But there you go. See that, guys? It worked well. I really did. I was surprised how nice this thing worked. So, wow, amazing. The cons are this, that you have to fly real slow. On the Fimi, you don't have a histogram, so you can't dial in your pictures. You just have to have good experience. I shot in ISO 100 and 30 frames a second, and I recorded it. The shutter speed was 1/64th. On the Fimi, it was 1/64. On the Mini, is what I meant to say. On the Mini 2, I shot at ISO 100, 30 frames a second, and 60 frames, 1/60 is the shutter speed. So that's the only con I can think about the Fimi right now. I'll have to take a look at the video when I get back to my computer and see what it looks like. But guys, let me know what you think of this comparison. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Shoot me a comment in the description below. Let me know what's going on. And if you like the content of the channel, please subscribe. And if you have subscribed already, thank you so much for your support. Appreciate it so much. All right.